Short English sentences for daily use. Listen first and speak it loudly yourself when repeating the sentence. So, let's move to the sentences. Believe me. Believe me. Call me back. Call me back. See you next time. See you next time. Come with me. Come with me. Can you turn the volume up? Can you turn the volume up? What did you say? What did you say? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't agree. I don't agree. Did you get it? Did you get it? Where are you from? Where are you from? As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. I decline. I decline. I'm on a diet. I'm on a diet. I just made it. I just made it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I have no idea. I have no idea. I agree. I agree. Do as I say. Do as I say. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. A lovely day, isn't it? A lovely day, isn't it? What do you need? What do you need? Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. Come on. Come on. I hope so. I hope so. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Call me any day. Call me any day. I admire you. I admire you. Can I help you? Can I help you? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I decline that. I decline that. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. I'm at home. I'm at home. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's okay. It's okay. It really takes time. It really takes time. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. See you. See you. See you next time. See you next time. So I do. So I do. Allow me. Allow me. Any day will do. Any day will do. Be calm. Be calm. Be careful. Be careful. See you in the next video. Further practice of English, subscribe us. Hit the bell icon for notification of new lessons. Like and share the video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.
Speaky Talky.